Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra Shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium, ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam, hakador ka babin.
Shisngi hadin ba usambut menteri rang ba jong ke sarkar jelna ba preston tensong ula kentu ye ke sengsan perthai Bharatiya Janata Party baladakam ngosok ban yetrai lang hapo ke kenhon jong ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ke babat ya ulakam sensar hapo ke jelna kala ban mi no dakabasok naga sarkar nakaliang jong UMLA ke BJP uba Alexander L. Heg ubalong ru menteri hapo ke naga sarkar ulaong Bamano manuru la ban syukhain tronnya keseng BJP namar bakani ke parti kalanang he nang san hapo kani ke jelna Meghalaya kat banang mi kisngi. Hagajing yekran bat ke Batisi TV uba AL hek ula ainuk saru da ke bapenken mau baka BJP hagis nem ki bakham menshwa kadai ke badan tang arngut ki MP hapo ke yeng dor bar thau ain Lok Sabha Henry Menta la pras nem ke BJP kaladai ke waini ki sengsan perthai ke balayo bat ya ulakam sensar hapo kari India bat kumjuk ru haki babun ki jilla hapo kari India.
I have very clearly told there are so many states without the BJP government. They are surviving. What is wrong for Meghalaya which will survive without BJP also? But I'm saying since the center is a BJP government, it is a very conducive to work with the BJP government for any other, for development of the state. But you have seen now, you go see even West Bengal, it's not a BJP government, but still they are running. Other states also, many states are there, like now you see Rajasthan, you see some other state also. There, before also when the Congress is there at the center, there are so many states without the Congress government. They are running the state. But we need the person who is running the state, not the party. The party also, of course, it is, we need without a party, also both together, the leader of the state and also the party together, if we have, it will be well and good. I just want to remind you, when BJP started, they started with 2 MPs. And where is the BJP today? It's one of the biggest political party in India. So don't underestimate whether he is single BJP member or 2 BJP member or 10 BJP member. If the BJP at center, when they started with 2 MPs, now is the biggest political party in India. So the Meghalaya BJP also, we are 2 today, we may be 30 tomorrow. Okay, but I'm telling you, the BJP is growing in our state. Yes, everybody has their own opinion, they have their own views to talk. I don't want to comment on somebody's views and somebody's comment. But the only thing is, a BJP, they stand in their own, and we know what is the BJP, and BJP is growing party in our state. See, forming the government is a number game. Okay. So BJP we have only 2. So BJP also, if it is the government today, in the MDA government, we also contributing a lot for the welfare of the state and the welfare of the people. Okay. So working together, taking the, the collective responsibility is a betterment for the state and for its people. There's so many states that are running the government of the non-BJP government. They're still running. This is no problem. Anybody can run the government, whether it is the BJP government or Congress government or NPP government or any other government, they can run the government. There's no issue. Like Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal, she's also running the non-BJP government. See, now in Meghalaya MDA, when they form the government, it is with the initiative taken by the central leader of the BJP. They have met the late Dr. Gopal Roy. They have met our Honorable Chief Minister. Collectively, with the initiative taken by the BJP, they have formed the MDA government under the leadership of our Conrad Sharma, the Honorable Chief Minister. Okay. So, the NPP, they are not working only in Meghalaya with the BJP. They are working in Arunachal Pradesh, they are working in Manipur, they are working at the center. They are working. They have no problem anywhere. Yes, somewhere as a miscommunication is there, between the president of our BJP. You have seen in the newspaper. You have seen this. So the CM also has given his statement. Okay. Then even our deputy CM also has given his statement. That is their views. This is their comment. That is happening in politics. Very good. He has given his comments also to our state president. So that is also his good views he has given. It's always fluctuating life, like fluctuating. Sometimes we'll see, somebody hit someone. Then tomorrow we'll see, these two people, they're sitting together, having tea, having lunch or dinner. Sometimes drinks also together.